Okay, so this time let's add this texture into our objects here. So to do that, I will just go to my hypershade. I'll click the hypershade, and then I will just choose Arnold. I'll choose a shader, and then I'll choose AI standard surface. So there, I'll just make this maximize. So now I have this node for the standard surface shader. So the next thing to do is I'll go to the color. Opposite the color swatch, I'll just drag this to increase intensity. So opposite the color swatch is the texture. I'll click that, and then I will choose file, and then in the file node that is now connected to the base color, in the file node I will click, and then as you can see here, there is an image name. I'll click the folder button, and then once more I can copy and paste the location, and there it is, the texture that I will apply. I'll choose open. Now it is applied to the shader. It is applied to the shader but not yet to the object. So now I can minimize, and then I can select the object. I can hold right click, and then I can choose assign existing material, and as you can see in the list I have the barrel standard subsurface 1. I can click that. Now it is applied. I can also view the material here. I can just enlarge this a bit. So as you can see here, the view texture in viewport mode, I will click that, and then you can also see, let us hide the others. As you can see, the arrangement of the textures is not yet finished. This is where the UV information helps. I can now click the UV face selection. I can double click, use the move tool, and start positioning them. I can double click this, position it where it should be. So after the positioning, I can now zoom in, and then here I can also look carefully, and then I can start using the scale tool. I will scale it to fit the scene. W for move tool, have this, position it here. R, scale it a bit more. Just make sure that no UVs are coming outside or going outside your textures, your image textures. W for move, careful. Careful fitting, looking in the preview. Next, going to the other side, double click to select, pressing R for scale tool, and then just repeat the process of fitting the object, of fitting the UV shell with the use of the move and rotate. Move and scale tool. So now on the body part, switching to edge because some edges not aligning with detail. W for move tool. Just checking the sides. Oops, this one got too much. So that is enough. Resize this a little bit. W for move. Now let's look at the viewport. Let us check. So the texture has fitted the model. Pressing 3. Smooth view. There. UV is okay. So that is how you add material and fit your UV with your OBJ objects. Thank you. I'll see you on the next lesson.